Hello friends, today we are unboxing the Xbox 360e. Here is the Xbox 360. Let's read the specs. It have Xbox 360 console, 4 USB ports, internal Wi-Fi, and Xbox 360 wireless controller. It have standard AV cables, not the HDMI, and Xbox Smart Glass. Now let's unbox this. Here is the cables, AV cables. Here is the pack and the power cord. Here is the controller. Here is the controller. It have two thumbstick, one D-pad, start and back button, and Xbox 3. Here is the thumb controller. Here is the battery pack. Here is the main console. It has the cooling fan here, two USB here, two USB at front here, Ethernet cable. Here is the HDMI cable, and here is the power outlet cable. Now, and I have also ordered the kinect sensor. Here is the kinect sensor. Let's also unbox this. And I have also ordered his games. I will show you later their games. First unbox. Here is the sponge for protects the sensor. Here is the sensor. I will put the next video of this setup video. So please subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification. Now let's unbox the accessories. I ordered the extra remote. Let's unbox this also. It has a 90 millimeter 30 feet range of wireless remote. Here is this instruction manual. Here is the remote, extra remote, and the cells, Duracells. And I ordered HDMI cable because it don't contain HDMI cable. It is 9 feet long and 3 meter. Sheets length, and it's have a flat type cable. Now let's unbox the games.
So today I have 4 games: Kinect Sports Season 2, GTA 5, and Kinect Adventure. So this need Kinect. This is PAL version. So it has 3+H 0 USKB So this is manual of this. This game can play 1 and 2 players, co-op to 1080 or 720p, 1080i or 1080p. Online multiplayer 2, co-op to voice friends. Connect sensor is required. Activity level standing. So GTA 5. It not required Connect. It is also PAL version. So Los Santos are prowling metro like full self-help gurus, startlets. So it contains Xbox Live, the online service for Xbox 360. Get an Xbox Live membership to play game online with friends. It is compatibility for Xbox 360. Only one player can play it. It need 8 GB to play, 650 KB to save game, HDTV 720p, 1800i, 1800p, in-game Dolby Digital. Xbox Live, online multiplayer 2 to 16, co-op 2 to 16, game content download, leaderboard. Its age is 18 above. So now Connect Sports Season 2. It has 0 plus. It has anti-SC version. See, it also required Connect sensor for movement of body. So see, Xbox Live, it needs online service and get Xbox Live card membership. This need player, we can play 1 or 4 players, co-op 2 players, 1 MB to save game, HDTV same. So Xbox Live, multiplayer 2, game content download, Connect. So it has Microsoft Studios. So next game we have Connect Sports. It is PAL version. It also requires Connect. Age is 12 plus. It is bundle. Xbox 360, player 1 to 4, co-op to 1 MB to save game. HDTV is same. Pause. So now we are going to open games. So now we are going to open GTA 5. So it has 2 discs, one for installation, one for install, and second for play. So now we have this GTA 5 Xbox 360. So in this we are going to have warning, important health warning, and technical support. Here is social club, let us sign up. Here is the map of Los Santos of game. So one side this all. One side this and one side this. There is whole city and tell what is here and what's here. So 2 discs. So now we are going to connect adventure.
Thank you, subscribe to the channel.
Here is only one disc for playing, and here is a calibration card for using sensor with this game, and here is manual. So here is manual given how to play game, so, and other instructions. Here is age limitations. So now we have Kinect Sports Season 1. Here is also only one. So these instructions, and now we have Season 2 Kinect Sports. Here is also one. There is no instruction in it. So thank you. Please subscribe our channel and share and press bell icon for our other videos.